Hello everyone! Samahan nyo kong magluto ng crispy pork stick with cayenne pepper dip. Ingredients natin, pork, yung malambot na part ng pork. Tapos season lang natin ng seasoning, salt and white pepper. Tapos i-massage lang natin. After massage, i-marinate natin for 1 hour. Kailangan din natin ng cornstarch. Ayan. And then, white pepper and salt. Mix together and sit aside. Kailangan din natin ng 1 piece of egg, beat lang natin, sit aside. Gawa naman tayo ng sauce. We need cayenne powder, tapos little bit of sugar, white pepper, salt, at saka mix together. And then, add natin ng very hot oil. Ayan. Pagka mix naman, add naman tayo ng light soy sauce at saka vinegar. And then, ito naman yung ating meat. Coat natin sa egg. Tapos, sa cornstarch, 2 times natin i-coat sa egg at saka cornstarch. Ayan na. Ready to fry na. Very hot oil. Fry natin. Saglit lang hanggang mag-golden brown. And then, remove natin. Pag golden brown na siya, crispy na yung ating meat. And then, plating na tayo. Ayan yung ginawa kong design.
Wow!
O, diba? Ang ganda. O, ayan na. Nasa gitna yung ating dipping sauce. Tapos, pour lang natin ng cayenne powder again. Tapos, garnish with green onion. And it's ready. Ayan, masarap na at super crispy. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and share.